The Signalfire AI-6A Plus Fusion Splicer delivers very quick splice and heat cycles, which noticeably speeds up fieldwork on dense fiber jobs. Its core alignment system, paired with an integrated optical power meter and visual fault locator, makes it easier to achieve low-loss joints and verify link quality on the spot. A versatile 3-in-1 fiber holder handles standard single-mode, bend-insensitive, bare fiber, pigtails, and small multi-fiber cables without constant retooling. The 5-inch high-resolution display offers strong magnification of both axes, so you can clearly inspect cleaves and alignment before committing to a splice. A high-capacity lithium battery supports extended runs of splicing and heat shrinking between charges, which is especially useful on remote sites without reliable power. App connectivity, multilingual menus, and unlimited splice record storage give the unit a modern, technician-friendly interface that simplifies documentation and fleet management.